Man, all those French fry hairs. Man, damn with the range here. See how much this gas is. All right, Xander, you want a VTEC? All right. Xander. All right, boys and girls. We're actually going to Bandimere Speedway today. They're selling their fuel, their race fuel still, and it's much better quality of the old E85. So let's see what's up. Damn, just surreal, you know. Can't believe they're closing. I really apologize if the wind is awful, but man, this is it. This is literally, had some really great times here. It'd be crazy that it's all over. Well, hours have passed. We're gonna go pick up Billy. Let's go to this junkyard, get some spindles. Let's go. Here at the lovely junkyard. Got some locking lug nuts on some steelies. That one's fuckered. I think this is it. Yeah, this one's rusting too, just like Jack Black.
This has got to be it, dude.
This is fitting, yes. It's like a fate right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks like Jack Black. Sweet. Ooh, now it's a curved pick. Very nice. Good Harbor Free.
I love it. Buy tools. I'm like, you don't understand, bro. Buy
Those tools
all the
wear
time.
out.
Tools wear out. Tools break.
I've personally just even last night we broke one of your goddamn tools.
Yeah, it happens, man.
Beautiful. Dude. I like it. Now all we need this. Like we're just rocking it.
Yeah, this is working out for you. I'm so glad this was back here.
Yeah, same. Dude, my favorite fucking tool, I swear. Dude, I don't want to smell that.
This is the best thing I got for a rack.
Headlighter?
I think it's a door.
Door. We gotta see door here. Thanks, Billy. Going lefty, I'm all off. No, this one. Block the action. Yeah. It's tight. Like, it's very, very tight. And I don't want to get this in a predicament. Nice. One's on. Thanks.
Yep.
Oh, fuck yes. Bro, this is so cool.
Dude.
I love this. All right, let's see. I think the car gods are on our side right now.
Good
Don't fall in the woods. And just like that, we're back. Back to the garage of Illy's, and we have the right spindles. These actually fucking look like they're for it. So we're stoked. Fucking stoked.
I knocked it back.
Cool. So now let's do oh. Should I stick that in there? Oh yeah. Oh Jesus. More clamp.
Squeeze it.
Yep.
And then I'll flip it out.
Safety squints. Yay. That was pretty cool.
Just yet. Okay. Let's put a nut on there. That worked out really nice.
That was cool. We're hitting the spindle, we're hitting everything but the fucking thing.
Ta-da.
Damn. All right, back in the garage. Sorry, phone died over at Illy's, but long story short, the last lower ball joint that we were putting in, it actually, the special tool marred the threads of the new ball joint. So part 3 is coming up. But either way, thank you guys so much for checking it out, watching these videos with me. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, gently tapping those screens. And yeah, just thanks again, guys. We'll be seeing you part 3 coming up. Late.